Hello full stackers. Rearrange the following code. If A is 1, print 1. If A is 2, output 2. So L should come here and then else. Next, my very first contest. Each contest there are approximately 1500 to 2000 users who participate for the first time and get rated. Chef wanted to tell new users some trick for their first contest. Before the contest, you don't have any rating. So even if you make a single submission, you will become part of the contest rank list and you will get a rating. If you want to increase, if you want your rating to increase, give entire 2 hours to the contest and don't quit. If you keep trying till the end and the more you time, the more problem you can solve. This means larger rating. Don't ask your friends for their code. If you copy paste your code, you will get caught during plagiarism checks and your rating will be reduced by 275 points along with a permanent black mark on your profile. Now to the problem. In a contest where n new users visited the contest, a user just saw the problem and didn't make any submission and hence won't get a rating. B users who made a submission could not solve correctly. Yes, after the contest they will get a rating in the range 800 to 1000. Everyone else could correctly solve at least one problem, thus they will get a rating strictly greater than 1000 after the contest. You need to output the number of new users in the contest who after the contest will get a rating and also the number of users who will get a rating strictly. So என்ன சொல்றாங்க, each input contains 3 integer n, a and b. N is 10 number of users, 3 and 2. A are the users that didn't make any submission. B are the users who will get in the range 800 to 1000. There were 10 new users. Among 10, 3 didn't make submission. It means that other 7 made submission and will get a rating. This is the first integer of the output. Now among the 7, 2 didn't solve any problem even though they submitted. So they will get a rating less than 1000. The other 7 minus 2, 5 users were able to solve at least one problem, hence will get a rating 1000. Hence this again integer output. So system.out.println number of users who solve the problem n minus a, comma n minus a minus b. System.out.println O plus double quotes plus. கொஸ்டின் தான் பக்கம் பக்கமாக ஒரு மணி நேரத்துக்கு இருக்குது. ஆன்சர் வந்து சிம்பிளாக தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. இங்கே ஒரு ப்ராக்கெட்டை போட்டு விட்டுருலாம். இங்கேயும் ஒரு ப்ராக்கெட் போடணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். எரர் வந்தால் இங்கேயும் போடலாம். கரெக்ட். ஆன்சர் சப்புன்னு இருந்துச்சு. Determine the number of black cells in a 6x6 chessboard. 6x6 chessboardல 3x3 36 36 by 2 18. Read problem statement. Only line of input contain a single integer n. Output the number of black cells. Output என்ன ரொம்ப simple. System.out.println n into n by 2. அடுத்தது, given x and y, which of the statement outputs the absolute difference between them? difference between absolute difference ன்னு கேக்குறாங்களா? இது என்ன பண்ணும்? இது absolute difference. x greater than y இருந்தா x minus 5 இல்லைன்னா y minus x. ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொடுத்து பார்ப்போம். x greater than y இருந்தால் x minus 5 else y minus x greater than equal to இருந்தால் x greater than y. Yes, கரெக்டாக சொல்லிவிட்டேன். AB difference. Chef is taking his baby steps in the world of programming. Very first program he tasked to write is given two integer a and b, print a plus b. Unfortunately, Chef makes a typo. Program outputs a into b instead of a plus b. Given the value of a and b, can you find Chef absolute difference? 4 and 7 கொடுத்தா difference between the correct answer and Chef's output. The correct answer என்னது? 7 plus 4 plus 7 11. ஆனால் Chef என்ன வந்திருக்கு? Chef வந்து மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டார் 28. அதனால் 28யும் 11யும் மைனஸ் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? Int difference equal to a plus b minus a into b minus a plus b. If difference is less than 0, system.out.println different into minus 1. Else system.out.println difference. கரெக்ட். சூப்பர். இந்த மாடியூல் முடிச்சாச்சு. அடுத்தது லூப்ஸ் அண்ட் கண்டிஷனல் ஆப்ரேட்டர்ஸ். இது ஒரு ரீஅரேஞ்ச்டு கோடா. Rearrange the following code so that the code prints a number from 1 to 10. சரி, இதை நம்ம அடுத்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். கற்போம், கற்பிப்போம், மீண்டும் சந்திப்போம். வணக்கம். டேக் கேர். பை பாய்.